If you're someone who loves to express your creativity through your nails but isn't sure where to start, finding the right nail art kit can make all the difference. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced nail artist, having the right tools at your disposal can help you achieve salon-quality designs at home. Today, we're going to review the top 5 nail art kits that will help you create stunning nail art with ease. From stamping to gel strips, these kits offer everything you need to take your nails to the next level. Kicking off our list at number 1, BMC Nail Art Kit. The BMC Nail Art Kit is a complete set designed for those who want to create intricate and beautiful nail designs without breaking the bank. This kit includes everything you need, from nail art brushes and dotting tools to rhinestones and glitter. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced nail artists who want a comprehensive set of tools to explore various nail art techniques. The BMC kit offers versatility and ease of use, making it a great option for anyone looking to step up their nail game. Key features: the BMC Nail Art Kit is packed with a wide variety of tools to help you create stunning designs. It includes 10 different nail art brushes in various shapes and sizes, allowing you to create intricate details. Additionally, the kit comes with dotting tools, rhinestones, and glitters, providing you with all the essentials for decoration. The tools are made with durable materials, ensuring longevity. The compact and organized case ensures all items are neatly stored and easy to access when you need them. Benefits and usage: the BMC Nail Art Kit is a great all-in-one set for creating custom nail art designs. The brushes allow you to create fine lines and detailed patterns, while the dotting tools and rhinestones add dimension and sparkle. You can use this kit to experiment with various techniques like marble designs, gradient effects, and detailed floral art. The included instructions make it easy for beginners to get started, while experienced nail artists will appreciate the high-quality tools for more advanced techniques. Usability: the BMC Nail Art Kit is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. The brushes are easy to handle, and the dotting tools are perfect for creating precise dots or patterns on your nails. The rhinestones and glitters can be applied using the included tools or your own favorite nail glue. The tools are lightweight, making it comfortable to use for long sessions. The compact case keeps everything organized, so you won't have to search for tools when you're ready to start creating. Durability: the tools in the BMC Nail Art Kit are made from high-quality materials that ensure durability. The brushes retain their shape even after multiple uses, and the dotting tools don't wear down easily. The rhinestones and glitters last long on your nails when applied correctly, providing a professional finish. The compact case is sturdy and designed to withstand regular use, making this kit a reliable investment for any nail art enthusiast. In the second spot, we have Konad Nail Art Stamping Kit. The Konad Nail Art Stamping Kit is one of the best choices for anyone who loves stamping nail art. Known for its high-quality plates and efficient stampers, this kit allows you to create beautiful, intricate designs effortlessly. Whether you're looking to add a simple design or an elaborate pattern, Konad's stamping technology makes it easy to transfer detailed images to your nails. This kit is perfect for both beginners and professionals who want to create stunning, consistent designs with minimal effort. Key features: the Konad Nail Art Stamping Kit includes everything you need to get started with nail stamping. It comes with a set of etched image plates featuring a variety of designs, from floral patterns to geometric shapes. The stamping plates are durable and easy to clean. The kit also includes a stamper and scraper, which are essential for transferring the design onto your nails. The stamper has a smooth, non-stick surface that makes it easy to pick up the design and transfer it to your nails. Benefits and usage: the main benefit of the Konad Nail Art Stamping Kit is the ease of use it offers. Unlike freehand painting, stamping allows you to quickly transfer intricate designs onto your nails with precision. You can mix and match different plates to create unique designs, and the stamper helps achieve a consistent transfer every time. This kit is ideal for anyone who wants to create professional-looking nail art in a short amount of time, without needing advanced skills or techniques. Usability: the Konad Nail Art Stamping Kit is designed for both beginners and advanced users. The stamper and scraper are easy to handle, and applying the designs is quick and straightforward. Simply apply nail polish to the stamping plate, scrape off the excess, and press the stamper onto your nails. The detailed designs transfer smoothly, allowing you to achieve stunning results in no time. The kit is suitable for use with both natural nails and artificial nails, making it versatile. Durability: Konad stamping plates are made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they last for a long time without rusting or losing their ability to transfer designs. The stamper is durable and easy to clean, maintaining its functionality even after multiple uses. When applied correctly, the nail art designs stay on your nails for several days, making this kit a great choice for long-lasting, flawless designs. Coming in at number 3 is the Hansen Salon Insta-Gel Strips. The Hansen Salon Insta-Gel Strips provide an innovative solution for at-home gel nails. These pre-designed strips allow you to create flawless gel nails without the need for a UV lamp or complicated application process. The strips come in a variety of colors and designs, allowing you to experiment with different looks without the hassle of traditional gel polish application. Perfect for those looking for an easy and quick way to achieve salon-quality gel nails at home. Key features: Hansen's Insta-Gel Strips feature pre-cut gel nails that are easy to apply and remove. The strips come with a built-in adhesive that sticks securely to your natural nails, eliminating the need for a base coat. The kit includes a buffer, a cuticle stick, and a top coat to ensure long-lasting wear. The Insta-Gel strips are available in a variety of colors and patterns, so you can achieve different nail art looks without the need for additional tools. Benefits and usage: The main benefit of Hansen Salon Insta-Gel strips is the simplicity and speed they offer. Unlike traditional gel nails that require curing under a UV light, these strips adhere directly to your nails without the need for extra equipment. You can achieve a gel-like finish with minimal effort, making this kit perfect for busy individuals who want a quick, easy, and durable manicure. Simply apply the strips, trim to fit, and add a top coat for a glossy finish. Usability: Using the Hansen Salon Insta-Gel strips is incredibly simple and user-friendly. The strips are pre-sized and pre-shaped, so all you have to do is peel and stick them onto your nails. The included buffer helps prepare your nails, ensuring a smooth surface for the strips to adhere to. Once applied, you simply need to add a top coat for extra shine and durability. This kit is perfect for anyone looking for a quick, easy, and mess-free way to achieve beautiful nails. Durability: The Hansen Salon Insta-Gel strips are designed to last up to 2 weeks, providing long-lasting results without the risk of chipping or peeling. The adhesive is strong enough to keep the strips securely attached to your nails, and the top coat adds an extra layer of protection. Unlike regular nail polish, these gel strips resist fading and maintain their shine, giving you salon-quality nails without the hassle of frequent touch-ups. Taking our 4th spot is Born Pretty Nail Art Kit. The Born Pretty Nail Art Kit is a comprehensive set that caters to all your nail art needs. From stamping and painting to rhinestone application, this kit includes a variety of tools to help you create professional nail designs at home. Whether you're looking to try out intricate patterns, add rhinestones for extra flair, or experiment with different textures, the Born Pretty Nail Art Kit has something for everyone. It's a perfect choice for nail art enthusiasts who want a wide range of tools in one convenient package. Key features: The Born Pretty Nail Art Kit features a range of tools, including a variety of brushes, dotting tools, rhinestones, stamping plates, and even nail foils. The kit also comes with a stamping kit and a set of colorful gems that can be used for various designs. The high-quality materials ensure that the tools are durable and long-lasting. The kit is organized in a compact case, which makes it easy to store and carry, so you can take your nail art tools with you wherever you go. Each of these nail art kits offers unique features and tools that make creating stunning nail art easier than ever. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced nail artist, there's something for everyone in these kits. From the versatile BMC Nail Art Kit to the professional-grade Artistry Nail Art Kit, these options allow you to experiment and achieve your dream nail designs at home. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips.